Imagine your students not just memorizing the words replication, transcription, and translation, but actually modeling how information flows from DNA to RNA to protein. The Flow of Genetic Information Kit gives them a concrete way to see the central dogma in action right at their lab tables. It's built for high school and college biology, so you can help students build deep, memorable models of how genetic information moves through the cell. Students start by identifying essential enzymes like helicase and polymerase, then model replication of both leading and lagging strands. They physically open the double helix and see how each original strand serves as a template for a new one. They see why replication is semi-conservative and why one strand is copied smoothly while the other is assembled in fragments. Directionality and enzyme roles move from abstract to intuitive because they're modeling the replication themselves. Next, they shift to transcription, copying information from DNA into mRNA using an RNA polymerase. They follow a specific gene sequence and create a messenger RNA strand that can leave the nucleus. It's a powerful way to connect the gene diagrams in your textbook or slides to what's actually happening at the molecular level. Then comes translation. On the ribosome placemat, students decode mRNA codons into amino acids and watch a protein chain grow. They see codons match anticodons and can trace how each triplet contributes to the final protein. Mutations become much more than letter changes. Students can model how a change in DNA can ripple through to protein structure and function. The kit even supports classic experiments like Meselson and Stahl, letting students test how we know DNA replication is semi-conservative. With our free digital resources, you can extend these models to explore RNA processing, like caps, tails, and splicing, and how certain antibiotics disrupt translation at the ribosome. And our A Tale of Two Sisters webinar walks through transcription and translation in a real classroom context. You're not on your own for planning. The Flow Genetic Information Kit comes with free teacher notes and student handouts and slide decks, all ready for you to plug into your courses. You can focus class time on students building and revising models, not just filling in worksheets. If you want students to truly understand how information flows from DNA to RNA to protein, and hear more of those "now I get it" moments, explore the Flow Genetic Information Kit at 3dmoleculardesigns.com. Happy modeling!